And I would like you to reverse your car back 2 cars length, please. Make sure that you keep your car reasonably close to the right curb at all the time, whenever you are ready.
Right. Okay.
You done?
Is it up to 2 car lengths? Yeah, I think so.
Thank you. And then drive off again whenever you are ready, please. When you are reversing, we do our observation, don't we? We do a blind spot check. What do we do if you're reversing and if any car's coming, what do we do?
I didn't see the car on time. The car was already close to me. Before I realized the car was there, so I stopped. I know that. Yes, I remember that one.
Now, I'm going to give you a benefit of doubt because you did stop,
Yes,
but it was too late.
Yes,
But it was just there, so I'm going to give you benefit of doubt. But remember, anybody watching this video as well, part of your observation, when you see somebody's coming, you need to react early. I'm a bit lenient here. Not sure if the examiner may give you. So again, depending on it, because you stop and the car was inside, it was slightly there. I'm giving you benefit of doubt. Trust me, if you would have been a bit more delay, it would have been a serious fault though. Yeah. So I'm going to give you minor fault for that one. Okay.